It's been multiple seasons ever since we have been here. But today, that changes. Because today, we're here for the 12th event, the bath race. This event has not been here ever since season 9. So that's 3 seasons where the bath race has not been an event. But this season, gonna be completely different. The bath race, classical event. Again, in my bathtub. Hello. And yeah. Better find out who will win. And who will suffer today. Bananas, 37 points to lead. Their lead is coming down a little bit. Not too much, but a little bit. Typos moved up to second. Blazers at the silver last event will jump to 9th. But those bottom teams, honeybees, trash bags, lavenders and seals and lentils, they are looking for a podium to save themselves from relegation. Here's our first heat. You see them right there. We have the asteroids, Wojo rollers, red powders, and green mowers. And we are green mowers in front. And the Wojo rollers catch up. Oh wait! No, okay. So how this one is set up, so it's not like polar plunge where you have to get inside. No. Nothing like that. There at the finish line we have added. It's right here. Cross that line, you make it through. So that's how the Wojo rollers and asteroids got eliminated. Well, our second heat's lined up now. And there they are. Night Fighters, Seals and Nettles, who really need a good finish to one of these events. And there's the championship leaders, Bananas, and Team Amphibian. Can Bananas continue their stretch? No, they cannot so far. And they'll be eliminated. Team Amphibian, Seals and Nettles. Well, both events. Bananas got eliminated. Night Fighters didn't really do much in that heat, but damn, even the Seals and Lentils are better than you know who. Here's our third heat. Burning Flares, Shamrockers, Lavenders, and the Blazers. Can the Blazers do it again? Because I know they cannot. The three-way fight. Oh, but it ends up being the Burning Flares and Shamrockers. Lavenders are lost out at the end. But that is what we expect from the bath race. And I heard that Blazers and Lavenders were way more faster than Bananas. But fourth heat. So it is. Honeybees. Our first scene. Paint and trash bags, tide pools, and tree trunks. Honeybees are in front. Tide pools in second. Can he keep it? Yes, he can. Trash bags and tree trunks. The 2 green marbles are out. But that is good for the tide pools, which means now they can catch up in the standings. And, you know, win this event. As our next heat is being sorted. There's Nitro 16th. Nowadays we get 9 fighters. We'll get dead last. Bananas 13th. That's still 5 points. So Typos will need to do lots of work in the semi-finals to catch up to the leaders. And here they are. Semi-final 1. Shamrockers, Typos, Seals and Nettles and Honeybees. Here we are. Shamrockers are in front. Oh, what a hit! And now Slow Seals and Lentils down, and the Tide Pools. So moving to the finals, it will be the Honeybees and Shamrockers. I doubt that the Tide Seals and Lentils and Tide Pools will get higher than 7s, but you never know. Semi-final 2. Red Powders, Green Mowers, Burning Flares, and Team Amphibian. And we are Burning Flares in front. Green Mowers will hold on a second and advance. And I'm pretty sure you can figure out by now, as we get our finals sorted. We hear no technical issue happening. Okay. There you go, nice 5th charades. Tide Pools will get 10 points. That means the Bananas will probably stretch their lead, honestly, but you never know. Finals, here they come. Green Mowers, Burning Flares, Honeybees and Shamrockers. Who will get the gold? And we are off. Burning Flares are in front. The 3-way fight. But the Burning Flares will have the energy to win it all. Green Mowers will get silver, that's good for them. And the Shamrockers with the bronze. And that's the overall standings. Honeybees will get 4th place, but that's way more better than the Dyla they got last event. And that's the bath race. The showdown should be up next. Another showdown, we have the beach ball. We'll see you for that, and let's see who will win the championship.